So what's up mga ka-so may bago kaming unit ni Boss Mix, the Miggy Boy. So get namin isang Porsche GT4. Let's go, manual, let's go. So yun guys, yun yung Porsche GT4. So guys, pakita ko lang yung loob ng Porsche. Manual siya. Yan o. May auto clip, exhaust, lahat. Maganda. May cup holder din. Yun o, dalawa. Diba? Tsaka yun. So yun. So pakita ko lang, may roll cage din yun guys. Yan yung emblem na GT4. Yan guys. Tapos yung handle, yung pagbukas ng pinto, hilahin lang to guys. So yun, maliit lang siya. Bose speaker, stock. So yun. So yun guys, ayun yung GT4. Sariwa guys, get nyo na guys. Ganda, pwede, perfect laruan, front car and everything.